Plantita tayo today. Tanim na natin yung mga binili natin. Tapos, ng mga succulent. Tapos, dagdagan natin ng mga cuttings galing sa mga tanim dito sa bahay. So, ito, jade. Okay. Para, yan. Trial and error. Oh, tama si Atot. Helping. Ang bilis magtanim ng kasama ko.
Amy loves helping people.
Hold this still down, girl.
Okay, Abby loves helping mommy a lot. So, ganyan daw.
Where did this go?
Oh. Ipwesto.
Let's go to the other side.
Okay.
To
Ang
this.
galing.
Uh,
Very good. Slow. You don't press it enough. You will hurt the plant.
and this go.
There. Wow. Nice. And then this one over here. Oh, abangan natin kung anong outcome.
Okay.
Oh, see you later. Amy, say see you later.
See you later.
Gumawa lang ako ng pinagtabi-tabi ko lang yun. Pinagtabi-tabi ko lang yung mga binili kong succulent, di ba?
It's pretty.
Tapos,
So, can you explain why you did this for the pearls?
eto.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi yan, ilalagay mo lang dyan, tutubo na yan dyan.
Mm.
Magkakaroon na siya ng roots. Para mag-aano yan.
Tapos lalaki na sila dyan. Mm.
And this is my gloves.
Why? Are you gonna help mom?
Yes. Yes. I'm just planting this tree.
Hindi mo siyang ulit-ulitin ng ulit-ulitin hanggang makuha mo yung gusto mong itsura niya.
But eventually they're gonna grow, right? So you can start adjusting it from
Mhm.
there too? Maybe? I'm not sure.
Yan. Tapos yan, eto, pag nabuhay to, mako-cover niya na yan. Tapos tawag dito.
Waterfall kind of thing.
Mhm.
So this is, what is this one?
Jade.
And this is a,
Ano ba to? Bear's paw yata. Tawag
Oh,
na dyan.
bear's
Hindi ko
paw.
alam ang...
and then this is where
Eto, nakuha ko lang. Sa
paligid-ligid.
paligid. Maganda lang siya. Kasi purple. So,
Tapos ito, what's this
pang-
one?
Hindi ko rin alam.
And then,
Basta
puro sila succulents.
mga succulent. Pinagsama-sama.
Yeah.
Ilipat natin. Yun ang kagandahan sa ganito. Pwede mo siyang ilipat-lipat. Lipat lang. Kung hindi mo gusto yung ayos, lipat mo ulit. O yan. I think it's better this way.
Yeah, it looks a little more
Mm-mm.
cohesive.
Kasi kanina naka-forward siya
And then
masyado.
the pearls are just gonna, they can grow into it. They
Mm-mm.
grow bigger, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All the succulents.
They will grow bigger.
So mom put a rock there just to make it a little more, I guess, compact. Because right now they're still trying to grow because they're still starters. So it just gives them like a little pizzazz, I guess.
The final look.
I'm watering the plants, so they're gonna die a little bit. So I know there's hope. Kirsty, there wants some water a lot.
That gives off a lot of puffs. And yes, I push Donkey's tail there.
Look over here.
And
What are you doing?
nice
Watering the plants.
mushroom. So cute. And my Talavera turtle.
Okay, go.
Dusty Rose
I'm
there.
doing waxy.
With
You look like Wakis?
Purple Delight. It's Texas sage. And these over here, all of these are open to the sky. So if it rains,
other
they
one.
rain.
That's one. Oh,
I know.
look, it's grown.
mo na. The flower, anak.
Why?
On the soil only. On the soil. There. Good job. Thank you, Amy. The plant said, thank you, Amy. No more?